influence employees' behaviors, attitudes, and ultimately the performance. We can look at human resource management, human resource development, organizational development, all encompassing the people practices that lend to organizational performance. So as we look at the evolution of human resource management, we have to look at how we balance the strategies, the organizational outcomes, and the people that we have in the organization, the talent, the workforce. The bottom line of human resource management is the ability and the effectiveness to which we align people, strategies, and organizational outcomes. Our ability to win in true people would be contingent on our effectiveness in aligning these three areas. In looking at the historical perspective of human resource management and the evolution, if we could use that term, back in the days we had personnel, 60s, 70s, commonly called the human resources area. Then, according to Dave Ulrich and others, we talk about human capital. That's where we're aligning HR strategies with business strategy. Today, we like to talk about human capability and how organizations are able to deliver value. Of course, we're aligning HR strategies and business strategies, but we're creating the wins for organizations through people. We look at how the workforce has changed, the hybrid organizations that we have today, and ability to look at the various aspects of human resource management practices and how they impact organizational performance. So typically we would have the analysis of work and design of work. So we design the work, the structure of the organization. HR encompasses HR planning. So given the demand for products and services, we have to ensure that we have the right talent to meet customers' needs and expectations. That's where recruitment comes in. Of course, in the struggle for talent that would create organizational capability, recruitment and employee selection become critical. Employee training and development, another core area of the human resource management function. That is, we are investing in developing expertise for the purpose of improving performance. Performance management, not to say that this is performance appraisal, but appraisal is just a component of performance management. Our ability to identify the behaviors, the attitudes, the values that would help to contribute to organizational outcomes. So we're aligning all of these HR activities to business needs, ensuring that they are aligned, they're delivering based on customer needs and expectations. Furthermore, as we look at human capital, we're talking about training, we're talking about experience, judgment, intelligence, among other factors. These are the concept really of HR implies that employees are resources. They're the core means in which we will win as an organization. So we look at the types of human capital and how we build the capital in organizations. We look at the behavior, that's motivation. How much energy are we willing to exert to achieve the organizational goals and objectives? And there's all of the HR strategies that we've talked about, and using the types of human capital that we have could possibly impact organizational performance. We look at the profitability, customer satisfaction, and of course in all of that, the ability to attract and retain the talent that would drive business performance. So research